Looking for how to make a photo box in MS Word, then keep watching. First head to the insert and click on the shapes and click this rectangle box. Draw the rectangle box and now right click and go to the picture format and click on this fill option, click no fill, and in the line section and click the solid line and pick the color of your choice. For example, I am selecting red one, and you can increase the width from here like this one, and you can use the transparency like this one, increase or decrease the transparency. Then head to the compound type and different compound styles are available. This is the double line and here it is, and this is another thick or thin style. This is the three border styles. So it's up to which you like most. I'm happy with that. So once you are happy with the borders, then head to the picture or texture fill. Click on that and click on insert. Go to the from a file and select the picture of your choice. For example, I select this picture, and you can also align the picture and go to the offset left, and here you can increase or decrease the value like this one, and here from right and left it's up to you, from top, from bottom, you can use the values as you like. So I am happy with that. So next step is go to the picture, and here you can increase or decrease the picture saturations, and here you can see that, and here is the temperature of the picture. If you are unhappy, click reset. The picture will be in default mode. So this way you can easily make a photo box in MS Word. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.